Okay, this is the INEC IREF portal. INEC IREF portal. Now, let me go to Okigwe. I'm in Okigwe. Let me enter Okigwe local government. Okigwe local government. This is Okigwe local government in Imo State. Now, in the Okigwe local government, we did not vote in Okigwe Ward 2. There was no vote in Okigwe Ward 2. Let me open the polling unit in Okigwe Ward 2. There was no voting in all these places, but results have been uploaded. Let me open Ikweke Square. The result here, this result here is from Jigawa. Jigawa, this is Jigawa. Let me open it so you can see Jigawa Kia. This is Okigwe. This is what they uploaded for Okigwe Ward 2. Jigawa. They didn't even change it. Who signed? It wasn't signed. It wasn't stamped. This is what was uploaded to the INEC IREF server. Okay. Let me open another place. Let me open a state primary school. This is state primary school. Let me open state primary school, Jigawa 2. This is Okigwe. This is the results on the IRF portal for Okigwe. Look at it. Okigwe Ward 2. Okigwe 2, Okigwe local government. This is the INEC results that is uploaded. But look at what it bears. It's bearing Jigawa. This result is from Jigawa. This result is from Jigawa. This result is from Jigawa. Okay. Let's open another one. Let's open another one. We can see the numbers. We can see this is Jigawa. Let me open it clearly so you can see. This is Jigawa. This is supposed to be Okigwe Ward 2. Let me open another one. I'll open another polling unit. These are polling units that are expected to be in Imo State. Now, there was no election in Imo State, but they uploaded Jigawa result. This is Jigawa, Kiyawa, and Daza. This is Umokpara Hall 1. This is supposed to be the result for Umokpara Hall 1. Elections did not hold in Okigwe.
The ones that election held, there's no result.
There is no result. I will open them. In Ward 1, there is a specific places that election held, but those places results were not uploaded. Those places were not uploaded. Now, let me show you. This is it. This result uploaded here is for Jigawa. Jigawa. Okay, I'll go back. I'll check on that place. Oh, elections did not hold in Okigwe Ward 2. Elections did not hold. Let me go to Okigwe Motor Park. Let me go to Okigwe Motor Park.